that breathing for just a few minutes can bring instant calm, sharpen your mind, and restore inner clarity. This is the power of alternate nostril breathing, also known as Nadi Shodhana in yogic traditions. This technique is a powerful way to balance your nervous system, clear mental fog, and prepare for deep self-awareness. Whether you're looking to start meditation, reset from a stressful day, or prepare for shadow work, this breath work is a game changer. This technique is all about balance. It works by alternating the flow of breath through the left and the right nostrils, harmonizing the left and right hemispheres of the brain. In simple terms, it's like pressing a reset button on your mind, emotions, and energy. Many yogis, meditators, and even peak performers use this technique to help enhance focus, reduce stress, and improve overall well-being. Let's go through this technique together. Step 1. Sit comfortably with your spine straight. Step 2. Place your right thumb on your right nostril and your index finger near your left nostril. Step 3. Close your right nostril with your thumb and inhale deeply through your left nostril. Step 4. Close your left nostril with your index finger, release your right nostril and exhale through your right side. Step 5. Inhale through your right nostril, then switch sides again and exhale through your left. Step 6. Repeat this cycle for 3 to 5 minutes. This technique is powerful because it works on multiple levels. Balances the nervous system, helps regulate stress and relaxation, enhances mental clarity, improves focus, concentration, and decision making, clears emotional blocks, releases anxiety and tension, energies and grounds, provides calm energy rather than jittery stimulation, prepares for meditation and shadow work, opens the mind for deeper reflection. This is why it's a favorite among yogis, life coaches, and high performers alike. There are different ways to practice alternate nostril breathing depending on what you need. Standard Nadi Shodhana for balance and clarity. This is best for everyday use and clearing the mind. How? Slow and deep breaths through the alternating nostrils. Extended hold for deeper relaxation. This is best for stress relief and preparation for sleep. How? Inhale and hold the breath for 4 to 6 seconds, then exhale slowly. Energizing variation for focus and alertness. This is best for waking up the mind and increasing awareness. How? Slightly quicker inhales and exhales, focusing on breath and control. Each variation serves a different purpose, so use the one that suits your moment the best. Breath isn't just for meditation, it's a tool for everyday life. Morning clarity. Start the day with a calm and focused mind. Before work or study, enhance concentration and mental sharpness. After stressful situations, reset and regain composure. Before meditation or shadow work, deepen introspection and awareness. Before sleep, use the relaxing variations to unwind. Whenever you need a reset, your breath is always there for you. This practice is safe for most people, but if you feel lightheaded, then please take a break. And if you've got respiratory problems or anxiety that worsens with breath work, then please consult a professional first. Remember, always listen to your body. Your breath is a powerful tool. Use it with intent and it will guide you to clarity, balance, and inner strength. Until the next time, keep breathing with awareness and purpose. If you found this practice helpful, then please hit the like and subscribe for more breathwork techniques. And hit the notification bell so you don't miss a new video. See you in the next one.